Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. How to solve this problem by using the solid software. The problem reads as the point capital B of a line is on the horizontal plane. The top view of the line makes an angle of 30 degree with XY line being 80 mm. The point A is on the vertical plane and 40 mm over HP. Draw the top and front views of the line and obtain the true length of the line. Also find the inclination of the line with two planes. This is the problem. So first we'll go for the solid screen. So you can see that the default screen, whatever you have, that is the home screen, is always set for A2 size. But I want to change this A2 size sheet to A4 because I need to take the printout in A4. So to change the sheet setup, so first I will go for the sheet 1, which is on the lower left corner, and take the cursor there and right click on the mouse button, click on sheet setup. So you have the background sheet as A2 sheets. Now I want to make it A4. Okay, I don't want to show the background. You say remove that and say OK. Now the sheet has been shrunk to A4, but the display is set for A2. So now I want to fit that till it becomes A4 size. Now once you do that, now I need to start typing the text. So first, a point B of a line capital AB is on the horizontal plane. So go to text. So here take the solid edge as Times New Roman, that is the font name. I want to take it 4. To write the problem, I will take 4, and for all other things I will go to take 3. So then the point B of a line, the point capital B of a line AB is on horizontal plane, comma, the top view of the line makes an angle of 30 degree by holding the alt key, type 0176. So it's not taking 30 degrees, 30 degree with XY line. XY line being 80 mm. Being 80 mm. The point A is on the vertical plane. The point A is on vertical plane. And 40 mm above horizontal plane. Draw the top and front views of the line. Draw the top and front views of the line. Front views of the line, and obtain the true length of the line. Also find the inclinations of the line with two planes. So then right click, then you just go to move. Now go to sketch, click on move, disable copy. You just take this and you move this to the top left corner. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. Now actually I want to start with the drawing. So to do that, first I need to go for IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, enable intersection point, and horizontal or vertical. And all other options should be disabled. This is point number 1. Now I want to draw a line. So to draw a line, I should go for a line command. So come down to line command. So first I should adjust the thickness, line thickness. I want the line width to be of 0.05. So you just click on the line width and make it 0.5. 0.05 and press enter key. Now first I will go to draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. Then I will go for text. Now I want to write XY and VP HP. So I am going to take 3 mm. So take the cursor here and put the caps lock on, type capital X, and you bring this here, type Y. Now you take the cursor to the top, type VP, and now here you type horizontal plane. Then he says the point B is on the vertical plane, that we are going to take at the later stage. In the horizontal plane, the top view of the line makes an angle of 30 degrees with XY line being 80 mm. The point A is on VP and 40 mm above HP. So above HP is seen in VP. So I will go for the offset command to draw a parallel entity with respect to the existing line. Always we do offset to draw the parallel entity. So I want to take 40 mm. So I will take 40. It is above HP, seen in VP. So you take the cursor on the XY line. Click on elements to offset, then right click to place the offset element where to the top, because VP is above XY line. Okay, then right click. Then go to line command, draw a vertical line of any length. Then go to trim between these two like this. So we have A, one end of the point. So I will go to text. Here I will type from the capital letter of A dash. Okay, here it is A, and of course this will be capital letter A, and here also you will going to get capital letter A. So now we will go to bring this near to the screen, and then go to move, disable copy. You take this outside A dash, and this is A. Okay. Similarly A, and in this side it is capital A. So once you do this, then he says fit. The point B is on the horizontal plane. Horizontal plane means what? It will be on VP. So you go to this, and here you type locus of B. Put the caps lock on, locus of B in the XY line, because B is in the horizontal plane. So go to move, disable copy, you take this as the locus of B. Then what he says that the top view here, the top view of the line makes an angle of 30 degrees with XY line being 80 mm. So that means he has given the length of the top view and also the inclination with respect to VP. So go to line, I will take end point, then I will take 80 mm, and the angle is minus 30 degrees because it is the clockwise direction with respect to the XY line. So I will type minus 30. So then draw a horizontal line. So here you draw one more vertical line and you extend the same. Okay. Once you get this, so now you have the top view line. So what is this point? This point is top view, so naturally it becomes B. Okay. And also, yes, this is the top view point B. Now what I will going to get, I will say this is the locus of B in the top view. So now what I can do is you take move, select this, okay, and take it inside. You B, you take this here. So now this is the top view. So I will just go to this and you click on this and make it this 0.5. Okay. Now I need to write the front view. Why? Because you know the locus of B in the front view and also you know the locus of B in the top view. And you know this is the top view line. So obviously the distance between the end projectors will going to be where you have the distance between the end projector will going to cut the locus points. So we have B, so obviously you're going to get B dash. Where exactly? It will be on the X line because B is on HP. So I will take line, end point of this, and I will draw a vertical line where till the XY line. So now I got move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want. So this will going to be the locus of B in the front view. So once you get this, so I have the point which is B dash. Okay, put the caps lock off, type B dash. Then go to move. So here I will take this line a bit outside so that you will not going to have any problem. So here I will take the extent. Extent to next will requires a boundary. So that is the reason why I am considering this line. Now I will go to move this till here for the time being. So we have the locus of B at this point. Now you have B dash, so you take B dash and keep it here. Then go to line, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. Then go to shift, select on this and make it 0.5. So now we have the front view and top view. So now I want to find out the true length in VP, that is true length in HP. So obviously that line should be parallel to HP, in the parallel to HP. So once your line has the parallel to HP, in HP you will go to get the true length. So how to do that? So I'll go to arc. So that means you want to find out the true length in the horizontal plane or a true length in the top view. If I want to find the true length in the top view, obviously the front view line should be parallel to XY. Where is A dash? A dash is here, B dash is here. So I want this B dash to move to the A dash line. How to do that? I will go for an arc command. So I will take center point of this and take this radius. And here, this should be the line, arc. So go to trim corner between these two. So once you get this, so I want to give this line which should be B1 dash. So once you do that, so you will have, go to move this B dash. Similarly B1 dash here. So once you get this B1 dash, I will go to make that line to be projected onto the locus of B in the front view. So you got this point. So go to trim this line. So then go to line, you take end point of this to end point of this. So now we have got the true length in the top view. So this will going to be the true length in the top view. I will going to take this as 0.35. Okay. So once you do that, now since it is B1 dash, so this point will going to become B1. Then you have capital B. Okay. So now you go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. So now you go to move, disable copy, you take B1 and keep it here. You take B and you keep it here. So this is going to be the locus of B in the top view. Now you go to move this locus of B still further inside. So now I will go for split. So split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. So once you do that, you go to select by holding the shift key. You select this line and you select this line and press delete. So we have the true length in the top view. Now what I want the true length in the front view. If I want to make the true length in the front view, obviously the top view line should be parallel to XY, which is the top view line AB. So you make that parallel to XY or take the end point. So this end point should be rotated till here. Okay. Then you just come down to this. Then go to trim this extra arc here. Okay. So now this is fit. Now what I can do is this will going to be the move locus of B in the top front view, because A is on HP, so B should also be on HP. Then only the line is A is on VP. Since A is on VP, so B1 should also, that is B2 should also be on VP. Then only the line will be parallel to VP. So I will say here this point will going to be B2 here. But what happens? B is already on HP. So since B is already on HP, so the locus of B in the front view will going to be here only. So this is the case where the point B is on both HP and VP. So you come down to zoom window, then go to move, select this B2 dash and take it here, and you select this B2 here. Now you go to font, click here and type capital B now. So go to move, disable copy, you select this and keep it here. Okay. Now we got the point, but what I want to draw the true length. So go to line, take the endpoint of this to the endpoint of this. Now we have move and go to B dash, B dash and you take it here. So B2, B2 dash. Then go to select this line, make it 0.1, 0.35. That is the true length line. Now you take this line and you make that line to be the locus line, dash dot. Okay, so you have the, everything is done. Now what I want to do, so here, this is the true length, then this is the true length. So you have the front view and you have the top view. Now what I need to do, I need to find out the true length and true inclination with respect to both HP and VP. So that is what I need to do. So to do that, so first I want to give the dimensions. So now I will go to move this XY line and you take VP and you take HP. Similarly, Y is locus of B is here. Okay, no problem. So now I will go for the dimensioning style. Click on ISO, click on modify, click on general and you take all these dimensions to black because I am taking the printout in Chrome. Black only, that is on black and white. So then go to text, click on Times New Roman and you take the font size as 3 and come down to lines and coordinate and you take it 0.1. Okay, then come down to units, take the angular units of degrees up to second decimal point, say OK and say apply. Now we go for the dimensioning. So go to distance between this line and this line. So you will going to get this as 40. Okay. Now you know this is the true inclination line, that is from here to here to here. You are going to get it as 30 degree. And then from here, you take this line. So you go to distance between this line, this line and this line, you will go to get it as 80. Okay. Now once you do this dimension, then you need to move this because you have the A is superimposing on that. So you take this here. So we have the true top view line and its inclination. Now what I want to find out the true length of this line. So how to find the true length? You go to distance between and you come down to this, make it this blank. So you select this line and this line. So you will go to get somewhere at some distance. Now we will say, you just click on this. So what is the length you get? 89.44. So true length is 89.44 mm. That is what we got here also. So now how to write that? So you go to this. So type true length equals question mark. Okay. Then go to rotate, disable copy, you select this, and this horizontal line will going to become this inclined. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and you have the true length with you. Now I need to write the angular between, what is that? Between 5. So this will going to be nominal. For the time being you take 26.57. So again from here you take this, which will be again 26.57. So that is the same thing what we got here also. Now I need to write the result or the answers. So how to do that? So here I will say, go to text. Okay. So take the font size as 3. So you take true length So what is the true length we have? True length, okay. Now it is 89.44. So here you take 89.44 mm. Then you have the angle which is 26.57 degree. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key. And similarly you copy again the same thing here, because both are at the same point. Now we go for zoom. So since we have covered everything, so here I will go for move, disable copy. So you take 87.44, you come down to this 26.57 and you come down to this, which will also be having this same angle. Then what I need to do, you come down to select this and make it blank. Okay. Similarly you select this line and you select this arc and this arc, select this and you make it blank. Okay. So this theta is there because I need to find that. So then I will go for the text. So come down to symbol, so take symbol. So here this will be theta and this will be phi. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select this theta and take it here. And then you go to phi and select this and take it here. So you enable copy, you take this, you take theta here and then you want to have phi. Then go to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy, take true length and then 89.44, then go to theta, then 26.57, then you have phi, then you have 26.57. Now what I need to do, I need to draw the tabular column. Like you just draw one vertical line, then similarly you drew one horizontal line. So go to line, draw one vertical line of any length, so that it will going to cover this. Similarly you take 26.57, then from here you draw one more horizontal line and go to trim corner between these two. Okay, then go to move, enable copy, select this line. Okay, then click to move from. So I don't want to have the display, I don't want to move this line in the y direction, so the displacement is not there. So in y direction is to be 0, so only it will move in x. So you take this till here, then escape. Then similarly you go to move, then you will select this line, then move from somewhere. So there is no y displacement, so its displacement should be 0. Then only it can move in y. So since copy command is there, so it retains the old line and also the new line. Then go to fit, then you come down to this, so you type answers here. So you go to text, so you come down to Times New Roman and here you type answers. Put the caps lock on, type answers. So then you just fit this line thing here. Now I need to show what are all the directions of projections. So how to do that? So to do that I will go for a leader, click on point on element and remove these two. So how to do that? I will say project this here, then you project this here. Similarly you project this here. That's all. Then here go to leader, take this down. So this is how you will be able to get the drawing completed. And here what is the takeaway from this drawing? You can see that this is the top view because its front view is inclined. So this is the front view because its top view is inclined. You know that this is the true length in the vertical plane. That means you are getting the front view true length. So obviously in the top view, what is the front view? A dash B2 dash will going to become AB2, which is parallel to XY in the top view. So now you know that this is the true length in the horizontal plane. So that means AB1. So what is the corresponding point or the corresponding view of this? It should be a horizontal line which is having both A and B1 should be above HP by 40. So here you have A dash and B1 dash, that is the front view line of this is parallel to XY in the front view. Obviously that line in the top view, it will going to be in true length. So this is how you will be able to analyze, you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solid software, and also you can see that the accuracy of the drawing is up to the second decimal point. This is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solid software. Once again, here I am not using any of the sketches which is already predefined sketch. Just by looking at the drawing, I should be able to take the command and I should be able to create the drawing. So this is how you need to practice for your examination.